Alright, so for the mechanism, pennies do not work, dimes do not work, and nickels do not work, and of course all these are American money. So if you put a penny in, it is rejected. So you can see the coin will fall down, and if it is too small to go down this little ramp here, you can see it'll balance on here. This is actually a wall right here, and this is a floor piece here, so the perspective may look a little bit different on your side there, but that is a wall and a ramp there. So again, penny, technical difficulties. So actually something like that is not, well, it's a little common, not really, but with this machine it's a little, because I'm experimenting with new techniques on my machine since I'm new to this, so there may be a few times where there are some mistakes, and I won't have all my mistakes on camera, but I will show some of them, because of course we're all human and we all make mistakes. So you know, I felt like I should probably show you guys that, because it can't be perfect. See, again, it happened. Not the easiest, but my machines will be better in the future. I promise. I somehow, like, my brain gets tricked into doing like weighted mechanisms, and my next one is not going to be weighted. It's going to be a real full-on, almost what real vending machines use. So hopefully that works, and so you guys are going to want to watch that, because it's probably going to be much better. But for the quarters, you can see the quarters fall down onto this ramp. Alright, and then just to show you guys this again, you put in a quarter, another quarter, and then one more, and there you go, you got a Kit Kat. And this is king size, and this one was very weird. You know, I feel like I've never seen one of these before, because it's like a little bit thicker and bigger, and usually I see the really long skinny ones. But yeah, that's about it. So I know this is a 75-cent machine, and what I got this for, you guys won't believe it. It was $2.75, which in my opinion is crazy, and just for one candy bar, that is a lot. But I got it just for this video to show you guys how this works and everything, because it won't be a vending machine without it. I realized in my last video with the McDonald's machine that without anything McDonald's related in the machine, it just looked a little weird. So I decided to, I guess, repay you guys for not having anything there and showing you guys this. I realized I had to actually have something for the machine, and here it is. And also, this machine is much bigger and is much nicer in my opinion. It looks very, very good, and the coin bank isn't anything special. I will be making a better machine after this. Every single video I make will be a little bit better, so if you guys want to see those, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and you will be notified whenever I upload an awesome video like this one. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye.